Address those flashes that are coming up for you on the screen. There's space information that's coming in. Government's LPG subsidy bill could go up further. OMCs may be paid additional amounts on higher international product prices. Sapna's picking up all of that. She's joining in to break it up for us and explaining that to us. Sapna.
Hi, Nigel. So this could be possible and also on likely lines. If you look at the the Saudi CP price in the last 2 odd years, and this was data put out by government on Friday itself, those prices are up around 300 odd %. But whereas the LPG price in India, benchmarked by the Delhi price, for example, that's up by less than 1/10 of that, so less than around 28 odd %. So over a period of time, some kind of under recoveries have also built in on cooking gas per se for OMC. Keeping all of this in mind, it could just be likely that the government, may clear some additional subsidy amount. There is already, subsidy available for Ujjwala customers, and there was an additional announcement made by the Finance Minister on 21st May, around 6,100 odd crores, and around 5,800 odd crores in the budget. So around 11,000 to 12,000 crores roughly, they're already looking at that number for the Ujjwala consumers. But this time going forward, probably, the other consumers as well may have to be taken care of. They have been taken care of, and the LPG price divisions have been very calibrated, around 50 odd bucks now and then. So I suppose most of the burden has been borne by the OMC. Keeping all of this in mind, it could just be possible that some additional amounts will be given out on that. We don't really have that number, but broadly, what we had was that basically around the additional tab could be as high as around 25 to 30 odd thousand crores in terms of the LPG subsidy. But I'm sure that the government will look at these numbers once again, and the final number could be slightly on the lower side. But this is what broadly it is. So I think this communication will be going around to OMC pretty soon.
Okay, all right. Sapna, thanks very much. Important story. Himang, any thoughts?